Caramella? Caramella, what do you feel like having for lunch today? About striped bass head. Testa di Spigola. We lost some nice ones on the rocks a couple of weeks ago, but not this one. Nice 30-incher. Let's thaw out that head. Stripe our head is nice and dry, and then a healthy amount of parsley in its cavity, and a lot of butter as well. A bed of kale on the bottom, then a small jar of garden tomatoes on top. This is one of the last jars I made, so they're more acidic than sweet, but that's okay. The fish and the butter will take care of that. And then some pepper flakes and pepper on the top. In the oven now at about 375 for half an hour. Let's go see if Caramella likes this, but I know she will. Caramella, can you smell what we're having for lunch? Testuccia di spigola. Su, andiamo. This dish obviously is not for everybody. You have to use your hands, so I always keep a wet cloth close by. Caramella, come ti piace? È saporita? Su, talk to me. Caramella? Caramella, do you want some more? Love this dish. There's so much striper in the head. And the best part is the cheek, or the cheeks. And I'm pretty sure in Asian communities, that's saved for the elder of the family. And in this case, in my case, it would be Caramella. Che bella vita! Solamente le ossa rimaste.